It's been a while since I got my Sr20, so today I decided to work on the engine and get it prepped up for paint. It's not easy rebuilding a car and doing it the right way. You have to be able to spend a few bucks to get it running and running right. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my content, and I will start posting more videos once I reach more followers. I hope you guys enjoy my content. Taking the Sentra for a paint. Then after I took out the engine. Still going to do some minor job